The years between 2 and 4 shapes everything that follows in early development. Regulation, language, relationships, executive functioning, learning, and self-identity. This is often when the first signs emerge that something may not be developing quite okay. Emotional intensity, sensory challenges, impulsivity, rigidity, language delays, social struggles. But behavior is never the whole story. Roots to Reason is a year-long study workshop series. It is an advanced training for professionals working in pediatrics from the ages of 0 to 18, especially if you want to understand the developmental foundations that answers the why of behavior. Across 4 developmental tracks: executive functioning, praxis, cognition, social skills. It's actually the follow-up certificate of the first 2 years of life that we covered earlier, now available on our website. This is so much more than milestones. It is deep clinical reasoning through a whole child lens. If you want to understand why a certain child, a student, is behaving in a certain way at 7, 8, 9 or older, the roots often lies within these early developmental years. Not only will we cover what is necessary to develop during those stages, we will link it up to those older ages that we need to connect to if this is not in place. So it's not only for people that's working in the preschool population. It's actually crucial for professionals working with all of the school ages to attend this series. Combining decades of pediatric experience, clinical frameworks, real developmental footage, and live case discussions, this series helps professionals connect early development to later function, academics, emotional well-being. Millicent Viljoen is a wonderful colleague of mine that shares this training with us, as she also shares her lovely daughter, Elena, to showcase for us hours of recorded videotape as she was developing. Thank you, Millicent. Join me and Millicent for this transformative 12-month journey into the developmental years that shape the future, starting in July 2026, running until June 2027. Check it out on our website.